In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and manage events using Wix. Whether you're planning a simple in-person meetup or a large-scale online conference, Wix Events provides you with all the tools you need to create and manage your event seamlessly. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account, and for that, head over to wix.com and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate and click on the Edit Site button. This will guide you into the editing area where the magic happens. Now, let's add some functionality to our site by incorporating apps. Find and click on the Add Apps icon, which is usually represented by a plus sign. You'll then be directed to the Wix App Market. Here you can search for a variety of applications, but for today's purpose, we're going to locate Wix Events. Once you find it, simply click Add to Site. This tool is crucial as it allows you to streamline the planning of your event, manage registration, and engage with attendees. With your app ready to go, it's time to create your event. Return to your dashboard and navigate to the Wix Events section where you'll see an events option. Click on this and then hit Create New Event. This is where you'll fill in all the important details about your event. Start by giving your event a name. Next, specify the date and time. And don't forget to mention the location, whether that's in person or online. The next step involves setting up tickets for your event. Head over to the Tickets tab and select Add Ticket Type. Here you'll define the ticket name, whether it's a general admission, VIP, or any other category you choose. Be sure to set the price, the quantity available, and importantly, the sales start and end dates. You also have the option to decide if tickets are paid or free, giving you full control over your event logistics. Let's move on to setting up payment options to ensure a smooth transaction process. In the Settings menu, select Accept Payments. This is where you'll connect your preferred payment method like Stripe, PayPal, or Wix Payments itself. Don't forget to double check that your currency and tax settings align with your requirements. Now, it's time to view and tweak the finer details of your event setup. Click on Preview. Here you can enhance the registration and confirmation experience. Think about adding custom registration questions or personalizing the confirmation email and ticket PDFs your guests will receive. With everything in place, it's time to bring your event to life. Click on Publish to make your event live. Remember to share the event page link through your social media, newsletters, or ads to maximize your event's reach. And for continuity on your site, consider adding an Events menu tab to keep visitors informed of all your upcoming events. Finally, with all tasks completed, simply click Done. Congratulations, you've successfully set up and managed your event using Wix. Thank you for following along, and I wish you the best in hosting a successful event.